Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Earth zoom effect with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use AI on Gemini. So first of all, you can visit gemini.google.com and you can try the Gemini free trial for 1 month and you will be able to use it to create a video. Okay, here you just need to upload your photo, or you can immediately describe the video that you want to create. And I'm going to select one of my photo. Okay, just for an example guys, I'm going to choose I'm going to choose this photo. Click on open and the photo will be uploaded to my and then the photo will be uploaded. And then we just need to click on the submit and the AI will generate Earth zoom effect video for us. Okay, you can wait for it guys. Okay, and now my video is ready guys, and then I'm going to play it to show you the final result. Wow, that's so cool and magical. And if you want to download the video, you can click on this download icon here and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Earth zoom effect video using AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!